je vois la vie en rose. Delikado na naman ako, bakit kinikilig na naman ako, bakit?
Hi guys! So please join us as we explore Europe. 9 countries in one Europe trip.
We're gonna have a 15 minutes walk to the city center, back to the bus, and we're going to have a city with around 500,000 inhabitants in the heart of the center. In total is like 1.3 million, but in the heart of the center, in the city of Milan. The city is mainly consisted of historical, cultural, and modern municipalities, which are span across many sides of the city. One of the most prominent neighborhood is the square of the Duomo, or the square of the Church of Milan, which is dedicated to Mother Mary. Sforza. They played a significant role of developing the city, as well as the expansion of the city that we see today. They ruled in the territory of Milan and even beyond. Visconti family, which was a lady that married one of the members of the Sforza family. That's why today the castle is called Sforzesco Castle, or shortly Sforza SF, Sforza Castle. It's quite large, and there are many areas that you can explore, but we are dating back to 4th century to be exact, and to be honest. There's one statue of a black serpent to the people that would attack, or the inhabitants, if they do something that they shouldn't do, what can happen to them. But today that symbol you can see it not only in the Sforza Castle, but everywhere in the world. Why and how? Can you guess maybe? Can someone guess maybe? This church. It's a Gothic church. It's a prime example. The outside, the exterior of the church, you can see distinctive decorations if they want to contribute to the churches. In exchange, they want a statue up in the ceiling that building, because no building could be allowed to be higher than the statue of the Church of Mary is watching over the city and protecting the city. I will call for better time management, please.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in a casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you.
Ha? Ito nga, ganda na eh. Ha? Picture lang kita dyan, no, dyan. Ha?
Yung dalawang yun, kanina, nasa lubong na natin. Maya-maya katabi na nila.
You cut me open and I
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. Birds of a feather.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
Parang sumisip.
Para pag gano'n.
Parang bitin. Dungeon. Chelsea. Yung ba kaya dyan? Dungeon.
Ha?
Dungeon. Yung the bridge ako may makita.
Mga beng, ganda. Sephora.
Ganda siya. Ganda siya.
Eh,
Yung ganyan.
ano rin?
Yun yung ganyan na.
Ayoko, hirap bitbitin yan. Okay na ako dito.
Yung titinginan eh.
Oh, pero maganda nga yun.
Chico.
Lang. Ang hirap magbitbit.
Cause it was always you.
Starbucks Reserve. Ay, Starbucks Reserve.
Saan?
Ay, nasa right yung building na yun. Kaya papakita ko sa'yo. Nire-reels lang. Hindi tayo makapicture kasi tatawid mo.
Saan yung Starbucks? Ayan mo. Saan yung Starbucks?
Bigyan mo pala kayong Starbucks Reserve.
And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
Zo
Dito tayo. Ano pala to? Milan, sorry. Ha? Oo nga eh.
Kano kaya?
Kaya niya.
Magkano kaya?
Yung isa nga, bumili yung mahal na jacket, tapos pinaling sa likod. Ang kinalabasan, ang ganda. Sabi ko, how?
Tingnan natin kaso simple eh. Ako siyang gagawin.
Hindi, saglit lang. Saglit lang niya ginawa, kaya ako na ma-amaze.
Teka lang pinawawala ka.
Ang ganda. Pasok tayo. Gusto mo masok? Bawal ata. Ang ganda.
That corner bistro is my favorite one. With the best view.
Wow.
And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me.
Grabe. Ang ganda. Diyan.
Here, we would make a very nice photo.
Yeah.
Nothing left to lose without my baby.
Let's get her up.
Wait, good pictures daw.
Wow. Wow.
Ito ba?
No.
Ay, lagi. Wow, babe, ang ganda. Yan eh.
Ano mo ako? Tatawag ka.
Yan o.
Adesso vi personale.
Dude.
Santiago, agarra el Duomo.
Bye. ever come between us. Sometimes the dreamers fly wake up. Quand il me prend ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça fait quelque chose.
For you, I bleed myself